This show is great.
Oh man, all this laughing's gonna give me...
What's that? Did you guys feel it too?
It was like I found something in KAZOOM City. Oh wow! How mysterious!
ASTRO TURBO!
It's fascinatubertastic! Let me see. Wonder Galactic! It looks like you have the ability to feel a KAZOOM's presence. What you're feeling means that there's a KAZOOM nearby. The two KAZOOMs have been wandering aimlessly around the city since they flew in. We have to get them back.
Let's go then!
KAZOOM Kids Action! Excuse me, have you seen the KAZOOM?
No, you... What are you doing here?
We can feel the KAZOOMs too, and we know they're around here somewhere.
But how did you know that feeling was because of a KAZOOM, when we had no idea?
I went and asked Tweething and someone told me. Hey Glitches, are you guys feeling these chills too? What is it? It's the presence of KAZOOM.
ASTRO TURBO?
Well, I didn't know it was her. Oops. We're going to get them first.
You'll never find them.
I found them! I have to get there first. No, you'll leave empty-handed.
That loot is ours! I can taste victory!
Well, taste this! I've got them!
Just for now. Achievement is unlocked.
1, 2, 3, and...
Good night, KAZOOM City!
Sorry, they're mine!
The KAZOOMs!
Oops, how clumsy!
What a disaster. We lost them again.
I think we deserve a consolation snack. Anyone want a burger?
Anyway, we'll find them again. And that time, we'll win!
We'll see about that, Stringface.
And don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Dođi, posjetitelje iGRANDiA čeka poklon igračka.